Welcome to the last school. In the last tutorial I was talking about how we were gonna add some content here and here. So let's get started. But first of all, what I want to do is bring bring the left side and the right side a little bit down from the header, because as you can see it's totally packed. So let's go to our main.css file. Inside header, you guys want to type margin bottom 10 pixels, and if we refresh this it brings it down 10 pixels, which is perfect. Now what you guys want to do is go back to your text editor and go under index.php, and we're gonna create some new divs. So these new divs are gonna hold the image and the content. So we have to create a div class. So div class equals content image, just write img, short for image, or you can name them whatever you like, it's your website. And then we want to create another div class and name it content text. Alright, now save this and just copy this and set it to the contact us, to the about us, and save them. Now we have to go back to our main.css, and under content what you guys want to do is make a new class which we named it content image, and we want to give this a width of 200 pixels since we have to stay inside the 600 width, since we have the div. No, actually no, we don't have to stay inside the 600 pixels. The reason why is because actually yeah, we have to, because we have our div here. Our div here is our closing div, so everything inside the content has to be 600. So yes, we have to have 600 match. So now we give the height of 200 pixels. The background color is gonna be the same as the left, so let's give it us 2282 fp, and we want it to float to the left, and that's about it. So let's save this, refresh. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. So now we have to take this and shove it off a little bit here. So we're gonna say margin left 10 pixels, save it. It's pretty good, but not too good. 20 pixels, 25. Alright, that's about good. Alright, so now if we click on about us, contact us, this should be on each page. The reason why, we installed the content image, which once you have the content image and you have this on it, it does it to every class that has this. So if you had an ID of this, it wouldn't target it because it's not a ID, it's a class. So now what we want to target is the text. We want to target this text. So let's give it let's make a new CSS name for it, which is content text. The width of it's gonna be 400 pixels. Actually, let's give this 350 pixels, and the height gonna be 200 pixels. The flow is gonna be to the right, and let's save this. Wait, no, we have to give it a background color. Want to give it a background color of the same color we gave to the image. And now save it, refresh. Alright, so as you can see, it's looking pretty good, but it's too big, so let's cut this down by 300 and save this and give it a margin of right to, let's set this up to 25 pixels. Save it. It's pretty good, but it's still too close, too far. So let's add 30 pixels. Alright, that's perfect. That's real perfect. So as you can see, this all spread out. If we go on every single one, it has the same one. So this is perfect. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add the picture here and add text here and style the text. But for now, we wanna, yeah, that's it. I'll just talk to you about it in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.